Tutu TV.
Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for basket. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. One, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 2 0 20
Chotu TV. Please like, share and subscribe.